If you haven't tried making your own seasoned rice, you have to try this recipe. It's so flavorful and so much healthier than box rices. First, we're going to add 5 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to a pot. We're going to add a bouillon cube, about 2 teaspoons, and we're going to boil it. We're going to measure out about 3 cups of jasmine rice and we're going to wash it under cold water. We're going to keep rinsing this until the water drains clear. Once the broth starts boiling, we're going to add the drained rice and all the dried seasonings. We're going to add some paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Tony's Creole seasoning or seasoning salt, and some turmeric. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and we're going to stir this together. Now we're going to add a cup of onion and bell pepper mix. You can use frozen or fresh. Now we're going to cover this and cook it on low for 13 minutes. Do not remove the lid. We're going to remove it from the burner and let it steam for 5 minutes. Fluff it with the fork, add some parsley for decor if needed, and it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.